Hey there, my fellow 9 to 5 warriors, and welcome to the Productivity Lounge. Are you tired of spending way too much money on takeout, scrambling for lunch options at work, or worse, skipping meals altogether? I am. Are you? Well, you're in for luck because today we are diving into meal prep, the ultimate game changer for busy professionals like you and I. By the end of this video, you know how to prep your meals like a pro, save hours every week, and save your coins, honey. Let's get cooking. Let's face it, yeah? Life as a 9 to 5 professional is hectic, bruh. Between meetings, deadlines, and commute times, cooking often feels like an afterthought. Well, for me anyways. The meal prep, it's like future you living a present for present you saying, I got this, okay? And meal prepping is really that simple. All you have to do is spend a couple of hours, either on a Saturday or a Sunday, prepping meals for the entire week. And during the week, you have a grab and go option that is cheaper, healthier, and faster than takeout. Like, game changer, right? Like, mind blowing. I've been using it for a while, but I'm going to be really intentional about it in 2025 because I have so many financial goals that I have to crush. Why can't I speak today? That I have to crush, that buying food outside will not help me accomplish. So step 1 of meal prepping is all about planning. How do we plan? Someone like me, I always write down like my meals for the month, and then I know that this week this is what I'm cooking for this week, next week this is what I'm cooking, planning, right? So for people that really like diversity, because me, as much as I cook just one meal for a week, now I have the tendency of still buying food outside because I want diversity, right? Because I'm really bored of that one food. See, I'm lazy, okay, sue me, but we're about saving our coins. So don't be like me and cook just one meal, okay? You can cook like 2 or 3 different things that are easy and versatile, and that can be stored. Well, we don't want to cook things that will easily get bad, okay? So you can cook things like fish or chicken or vegetable or pasta or rice, beans, maybe corn chop, something that's really like simple and can truly last. And by vegetable, we have to be really careful. I would suggest something like jama or green, those ones that don't really get bad. I don't really know about Aero for 1 week or Ndole for 1 week, so those ones I will not really suggest. And you cannot cook things like achu for 1 week, like, be fucking for real. So that is that. And so that's just the one, just planning. Once you have your meals that you actually want to eat for the month, and then now you separate them into, okay, this is what I'm cooking this week. Again, like I said, don't be like me that cooks one meal for the week, and then throughout the week I can now buy like 2 different things. Like today I'm just ordered outside food because I cook concha here and I'm already bored, like so bored. So I've ordered food, and that's just wasting money and can't define the point of meal prep. Baby steps, okay, we're getting there. And one thing you need to know is that meal prep, it does not have to be like chef standard, okay? It just has to be really simple. So basically, it's good to choose recipes that have ingredients that overlap. So basically, you're able to save money and reduce waste. So you can just, for example, you can boil like meat, and you can use meat for fried rice, use meat for tomato sauce, use meat for granola soup, or you can make like vegetable, or you can make okra, like something. Choose recipes that kind of get together where you can buy like an ingredient for like to cook like those meals, and you're not wasting it, if that makes sense. So, and also remember, don't go and cook like 5 different meals. We are not trying to contest for, how do you call those shows, Top Chef. Like, we're not doing that. We just need food to get us by during the week. Okay. And the next we're going to say is that it's always good to invest in good containers. For people that have microwaves, always be careful with the containers that you buy. It's good to always get these containers that these bowls that are really good and are really sturdy, that they can withstand the microwaves. And picking up one day to prep. Now, I said in the beginning that you just need a couple of hours in a day. So basically, you can either choose Saturday or Sunday. Someone like me, I really have no specific day. Some days I feel up to it on a Saturday. Sometimes I don't feel it on a Saturday and I push it to a Sunday. But heaven knows the weekend will not pass that I've not cooked. That's the bottom line. So you pick a day to meal prep. And if you're like me and you flip-flop between Saturdays and Sundays, that's still great. But for most people, Sundays work. So basically, you just start by cooking everything and then you portion it out, put in the bowls, and then put in the fridge, and easy. And you wake up on the Monday morning, you just grab your lunch and you just go. You don't have to sit in the office and you're like, oh, what am I eating for lunch today? What do I need to go and buy? Do I need to buy this? Do I have enough money? Oh my God, I'm using too much money. And then meal prepping should not be a chore. If you're like me and cooking is not the most fun activity, I always try to cook when you're in a good mood, when your body is feeling up to it, when everything is aligning in the universe and the day just looks so beautiful to you. You're all smiles, you're just jovial. But we have moments like that where you're just happy for no reason. Like you just woke up well, you slept well, you woke up well, you have energy, you're just ready to tackle the day. I would suggest you cook on those days, okay? So that it does not feel like a chore. Now you're enjoying it. You're listening to music, or maybe you're watching, maybe Dubai Bling or Love is Blind, or you're watching like a Nigerian film or a Hollywood series. Like you're doing something, and then you're cooking, you're dancing, you're watching your movies. It's beautiful. I'm sure you want to just bling. You're finished cooking, everything is set, and it did not feel like a chore. And another thing that I've noticed, that when you're not happy and you're cooking, your food will not taste nice. So let's cook when we're in better spirits. Okay. And last but not least, don't forget to plan your snacks. Sometimes I had the tendency of not wanting to bring food for lunch. I'd rather eat the food for breakfast, and then for lunch I just want to just choose something. But because I don't have snacks, I now have to go out and buy snacks. So when we are meal prepping, it's just good to allocate snacks. If you're hardworking, you can just buy like plantain and make chips and package it out and buy, okay, these are the chips I'm going to eat for the week. And if you want to make like granola sweet, coconut sweet, but basically allocate this snack. Or you want to, maybe for people that like to bake, like people that like kitchen figure it out. You can just make something really cutesy, very demure for the days that you don't feel like taking food for lunch and you just really want like a 1-2-1-2, or maybe that you're going to be really busy, you don't have time to sit down and really eat like food. You can just grab that. Again, meal prepping is just all about saving money, saving time, and just saving yourself the hassle of figuring out what am I going to eat today, what am I going to eat. So in our goal to save money, it's always good to preview your snacks for the week. Again, you might not eat it, you might not finish it this week, and that's fine. You move it to the next week. And again, it equally helps you regulate what you eat and make sure that it's healthy for you, okay? Because we're equally trying to lose weight this 2025. That's one of our healthy goals. And if you have not watched my goals video, setting 2025 goals like a pro, go and watch it. I know it's one of the first videos that I recorded, and I was really not feeling it. I've been really down with like kata, and it's been trying to take me out, but now I'm trying to be more alive and active. So go watch that. How to set your 2025 goals. It's never too late. I feel like this is my most intentional year yet, because 2024 I was pregnant, so I just kind of worked my way through. I was heavily pregnant before New Year of 2024, so I was really not in the mood to try and plan my life. My life was up in the air. But this 2025, I've been thinking about 2025 for so long. I think I started thinking about 2025 like October or 2024 or like November. So this year is very intentional, and it has to be one of my best years. In fact, it has to be my best year yet. So if you want it to be your best year yet, go watch that video and comment down below what 2025 goals you're trying to crush, so we can support you and we can be your accountability buddy. All right, and there you have it. Meal prepping made easy for my busy 9-to-5 professionals. By planning ahead, keeping it simple, and sticking to a routine, you save time, money, and stress. Plus, you will look like you've totally got your life together. So it's a win-win. Let me know in the comments what you're cooking this week, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips to level up your 9-to-5 life. Until next time, happy prepping. I love you. Mwah.